What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the blades on a mower deck. In this case, it's a 48-inch Husqvarna deck, but it's also going to be very similar to a Craftsman or a John Deere and any other similar brand. First, we're going to drop the mower deck. This makes it easier to remove the deck. Then release the tension on the deck belt by disengaging this lever. Next, remove the loose belt from the engine pulley. Then you're going to remove a total of 6 pins, 3 on this side, 3 on the other. The first one is behind the anti-scalping wheel in the front of the tractor. The next is along the frame. Then also remove the arm. And the third is towards the back of the mower deck. Then release the arm. Then the other side. This is an anti-sway bar. Then lastly, the one up against the frame. Now you should be able to remove the mower deck. Once the deck is removed, now is a good time to lubricate all the pulleys. All of the blade spindles have a Zerk fitting, so they can be easily greased. After you're done greasing them, just make sure that they're free spinning and they don't hear any grinding noises. Next, check the idler pulleys. You can grease these with a little bit of white lithium grease. Next, flip the deck over. Just be extra careful not to break off any of the Zerk fittings. The best way I've found to remove the blades is to take a block or a scrap piece of wood, and you want to kind of bind up the blade, and then take your 5/8 inch wrench, or breaker bar in this case, block the blade up, and then do this with gloves also, and loosen the blade. And on all 3 of the blades, it's counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten the bolt. Here's what the bolt looks like removed, and I put some anti-seize on these. Makes it easier to remove them in the future. And here's a look at the replacement blade. I usually don't remove these from the package until I double check to make sure these are the correct blades. And I'll leave a link for these in the description down below. So judging here, this is the blade that came off, and this is a mulching blade. And then you just want to double check the length. And in this case, it's a perfect match. And the star pattern in the center is the same as well. And you can see on the bottom it says high lift, and this says grass side. So this will be facing down. Just want to make sure that the spindles are clean and free of anything that's going to make those blades wobble or not tighten down. Then to reinstall the blade, you simply want to reindex it down onto the star pattern there. Make sure it's sitting flat. Reinsert the bolt and tighten it. and then torque it down using that block to get some leverage. And when you tighten down this bolt, you want to tighten it down very firmly. Then repeat this for the center blade. Block it, then loosen it. Then clean the spindle surface. Install the blade, then the bolt, and tighten it down. Then lastly, the third blade. Next, check the blade clearance. Make sure the blades won't interfere with each other. Next, flip your deck over. Then make sure your belt is on the pulleys correctly. There should be a diagram like this on the deck. So just double check. Now if everything looks correct, you can slide the deck back underneath the tractor and reinstall the 6 pins, 3 on each side. Don't forget to reinstall the deck belt on the engine pulley. Then re-engage the belt tension lever. And lastly, raise the mower deck back up to your desired position, and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also remember, I'll leave a link for these mower blades in the description below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.